Samsung A16 5G has arrived, and it's making waves. With its latest Android 14 operating system with 6 major upgrades and stunning design and cutting-edge technology, this phone is definitely a game changer. Let's dive into what makes the Samsung A16 5G stand out from the crowd. First up, the display. Samsung A16 5G takes it to the next level with a 6.7-inch display. The colors pop. The blacks are deep, ensures buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or playing the latest mobile game, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about performance. With the latest Exynos 1330 chip and 2.4 GHz octa-core processor and ample 8 GB RAM, multitasking feels effortless. Switching between apps is seamless, and demanding games run like a charm. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled too. The Samsung A16 5G features triple camera setup with 50-megapixel main sensor that can record video up to 1080p at 30 FPS. The low-light performance is exceptional, making those nighttime shots surprisingly clear. Plus, the new AI features help enhance your photography skills, ensuring you capture the perfect moment every time. Supports fast charging. You'll spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your phone. In conclusion, the Samsung A16 5G is a powerhouse packed with features. From its gorgeous display to its impressive performance and camera capabilities, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, make sure to put the Samsung A16 5G at the top of your list.